Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all my viewers. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos, you get that video notifications. So please click on the bell icon. So today's recipe is basically dedicated to the Valentine's week, as red color symbolizes love and love is depicted by the shape of heart. So I have tried to prepare a dish combining both the things to celebrate this Valentine's week. So presenting Valentine's Day special food, Red Heart Beetroot Pooris. So let's check the ingredients and now let's start. First I have taken 2 medium-sized beetroots. Just peel the skin and roughly chop the beetroots. Now wash these beetroots couple of times. And now we will boil these chopped beetroots. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Cover with a lid and allow it to boil. After 10 to 15 minutes, just check the beetroot with a knife. You can see it's boiled now. Now take this in a colander and allow it to cool. Now after few minutes, now we will make a smooth paste of this beetroot. Transfer this beetroot to a mixer grinder. No need to add salt or any water. Just grind it and you can see the rich red colored beetroot pulp. I have not added any food color, only the beetroot pulp it is. Now keep this aside and now we will prepare our dough for the beetroot puri. So for this I have taken 4 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon sugar and half cup suji, that is rava, 1 tablespoon white oil. Now give a quick mix and now pour the beetroot pulp on it. And now make a stiff dough for the puris. Similar dough you make for your regular purpose roti, chapati or paratha. To knead it properly, you can take beetroot pulp as when needed. Now the dough is ready. Now let the dough rest for 30 minutes. You can see the dough is very soft and elastic. Now after 30 minutes, now we will fry the beetroot puris. So for this, in a deep vessel I have taken enough white oil to fry the puris. And now take big portion from the dough and roll it properly like a round shaped roti. And now with the help of a heart shaped cookie cutter, we'll cut small heart shapes from it. Carefully do this step. Just follow the way I am doing. Once you make the mark of heart shapes, just peel the edges slowly. You can see it's easily coming out. And now we will just deep fry these puris. With the help of a spatula, just press down gently and hold it against the karai. And you can see beautifully it's getting puffed. This red heart beetroot puris are looking so beautiful, isn't it? Now like this, I will do all the rest heart-shaped beetroot puris. Make sure the oil should not be very hot. Otherwise, the puris will not puff properly. Now I am done frying all the beetroot puris. I serve them with aloo matar ki sabzi. You can serve them as per your choice of any curry. I hope you liked today's Valentine's Day special food episode. Do try this and serve it to your near and dear ones. Don't forget to share your feedback, suggestions or any queries in the below comment section. And please support me by subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.